This is a Joel strategic prayer call for such a time as this. It's a call from the Global Touch Watchtower of Intercessory Prayer Movement. To you, our beloved intercessors, though on the other side look as if we have been defeated, but prayer remains invisible. In this last day, there is a great move of prayer worldwide. Prayer movement is the work of the Holy Spirit. Way back in the year 1727, the small Moravian church in Herrhut, Germany was moved by the Holy Spirit to start a 24/7 and 365 prayer watch. This kind of prayer means to pray 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. 48 committed prayer saints come in pairs to pray every hour. Later, young prayer warriors and even children came and joined this prayer movement. This prayer continued for about 125 years, and the result was tremendous. This small Moravian group of 600 members was able to send missionaries within 25 years, more than what the Protestant churches did in 200 years. Prayer indeed gives birth to mission movement. We are so grateful to God that we are able to flow together in the stream of prayer movement, led and moved by the Holy Spirit in these last days. This is the time for all the praying believers to come and unite together in prayer and intercession, to kneel down and rend their hearts before God, according to Joel chapter 2, verses 13. We remember that in the midst of a great destruction in the nation of Israel, God wondered that there was no intercessor, according to Isaiah chapter 59, verses 16. Further, when speaking about the sins of Jerusalem, God said, "So I sought for a man among them who will make a wall and stand in the gap before me on behalf of the land, that I shall not destroy it, but I found no one," according to Ezekiel chapter 22, verses 30. So let us stand in the gap to intercede persistently for a land and also for the nations of the world in His kingdom.
Kanigadai ka Joel strategic prayer call. Ka jingkhot shiga jinwai hagabakum kaniga por. Kaniga jingkhot naga global touch watchtower jong ka intercessory prayer movement. La hakiwe kiliang ka ikumba ngila sha job. Penban ga jindwai ga bor ka bam jusha job satya. Hagani ga singi don ga jimpan ki ga jor yaki kristan hakaleng ga perthai ban duai ka jingki jong ga jindwai ka ga jing trai jong men simba khot haga snem khanyo spa arfo hinyo lapan ki ga barang moravins kabaret kabadan haharan hat Germany kabadan riuspa ngut kibanget banduai kumbasau popra ngut napring jongkini kila sedang ya ka jingduai aphira abusau hinyo laispa and rebusan kani ka jingduai kamut ka jingduai ka ba arposau kenta hakashisngi hinyo sngi hakashitayo ba laispa and rebusan sngi hakashisnem nakini ki sau popra ngut arngut kiwan duai haka shikenta hadien lawan yasnolang dagi samla bat khna shakaniga jinduai kaniga jinduai kala ne kumba shispa ar phausan snem kaniga jinduai kala pan khaya ka jingtrei kam ublei laniga jingtrei mission layatho batang na ki ar phausan snem jogariga jinduai kaniga kanon balang gabret kalapha missionary palat banya kabalapha lagi balang protestan haki arspa snem balalino ka jindwai shisha ka penkhaya ga jingki haka kam mission ni aingo e yo play bangilala bania tut lang hakane ka wa dut jonga jindwai balayalam bat penkhi do munsimakhot hagiri gismi kibak khaddu kani gadai ka por nakabanda ki riungai baro kibaduai banwan bania solan kawai haga jindwai barka jiasat bandem khosio bankat yalaga dano khmat ublai kumba ublai ula khot lengbau Joel hagalenong gaba ar jongga kitabu Joel ngiken mal Bahapring ke jinjot ke bakrau juga jai bener Israel. Ublay ula smokendet ba omdan satia unong yasat. Karkum ke kitab Isaya sanbu khnai lanong kadkhot ke bakhat menrio. Susu haba kren syapam ki pop jongga nong ba Jerusalem. Ublay ula om. Bangalawan yo brio napring jongki. Uban yeng. Uban peniang ke jingker. Baruban yeng ke jingprah khamat jonga. Nakabandagari. Banganam penjot yaka. Henry ngam syem satya. Kitab Ezekiel nong baar puar garkhot kabalaipo. Kumta. Tungin yeng hapring ke jingprah. Ban yasai andagari. Ban ki judgment riu. Kelum. Kibadan keleng ke jaga jongga perthai. Kanigari ke jingkhot. Kabadan kam kabakirki syaka jindwai. Tungin sya skori ke jingkhot. Nakabanta kaburam jutrai. Bat nakabanta kahima ke jungu. Ublay unkirku yefi bara. Amen.